Hello there. We're so excited that you're thinking about continuing your education. And we hear from so many adult learners just like you that are really concerned about, if I get started in this endeavor, how am I going to be successful balancing work and school? And so here at SMU, we want to equip you with some good information to help you as you get started. The first thing that you need to do is make sure you select the right degree program. Know what the setting is going to be. What's the format? Is it going to be online opportunities? What night of the week? All of those kinds of things, and so that you'll know how it's going to fit with your work schedule and how you balance it with life. The second thing that we would tell you is make sure that you keep all of your appointments and schedules in the same place. So commit to whatever your system is. If you're sticky note or if you're a digital format or whatever it is, keep everything in the same place so that you don't get overcommitted and overbooked, and you'll be successful. The next thing that we would tell you is embrace the in-between times. As an adult learner, you may not get hours and hours of uninterrupted learning time. So look for those pockets or those little moments where you can read a little bit on an assigned chapter, or you can write a bit on a writing assignment. But look for those small in-between moments where you can incorporate your learning. We would even tell you to utilize your commute as an opportunity for learning. That's our fourth tip to you today. If you get the chance, record your lecture and listen to it. If you have a 20-minute commute on your way to work in the morning and 20 minutes home, that's 40 minutes of learning that you'll have slipped into your day, and you'll be that much more ahead. And the last thing that we tell you is that when all else fails, wake up a little bit early. That uninterrupted time at the beginning of your day, before the crazy happens and before the urgent happens, take time to slip in learning, which is one of the most important things that you'll do in that day. And you'll find by the end of the week that you'll have had time to do what's most important, and you'll be successful.